Africa Content TV.
Put your hands together. Very thoughtful gift from the bride to her husband.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's only proper that Jips also says a few words, and these words will be the last words for the night, because after this time out, it's party non-stop. There's the after party that is not inside this marquee, and it is strictly by invitation. Many are called, few are chosen. But for those of you who are not invited to the after party, don't worry. There's a lot of music, food and drinks right here in this marquee as well. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.